Hey guys, how are you? It's Abdul again. I know I haven't done a review in a long time. That I'm very sorry. We were waiting for these beauties to land, so I have a good excuse. These are the Taro GP V3s, man. The most beautiful bikes in town. Huh? They come in different colors. This is the granite grey with a black tank. Comes with half blue rims. Then we also have another type of granite grey, kind of with a Chelsea blue on it, the Virus edition. The difference with this Taro GP and the previous ones we've done reviews of is that this one's the Taro GP V3. It's liquid cooled, it has a higher performance rating, its build quality is splendid. I mean, look at the tank, look at this, look at the grips, beautiful, huh? It has a sort of like a Yamaha R6 odometer. Sounds like a beauty, huh? It's liquid cooled. Let's take a look at the engine. Look at that, man. That's the radiator. Its plastics have been well built, huh, for the African roads. It has a better built trellis frame. It has beautiful LED lighting, dual LED lighting. The rear tire is a 150/70/17 wide rear base from CST. Normal iron swing arm. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. Its exhaust pipe is dual into one. It's called the dual into one. Taro GP engine. This also has a 19.5 rated horsepower at 7,500 RPM, which is pretty good for its weight of 165 kgs, which is a little more higher than the previous version of Taro GP that we had. I mean, these bikes are amazing. They are beautiful. That's the Taro logo. It's the black half blue rims. I like this color a lot. The mix with the white and the black and the grey and the blue, it doesn't really color clash. It looks beautiful. I can see they've put better indicators, which is good. These ones look a bit more strong. They're adjustable. In case your bike drops, it's pretty hard for this to break. You're seeing the metallic, it has a metallic head with the, I mean, the build quality is amazing, man. If you feel how it has a 14-liter tank, it'll give you about 38 kilometers on the liter, which is pretty good, especially with the hike in fuel prices. This will save you on money, man. If you're talking about rush hour, this is the bike. If you're talking about a unique bike, this is the bike. If you're talking about a bike that you want to stand out on the road, this is an attention seeker. I've just ridden from the showroom about 2 kilometers all the way to the back, and I'm telling you, the amount of attention I've gotten on these bikes is just amazing, man. Amazing. If you're an attention seeker, this is the bike. It is beautiful. Its seat height sits about 790 millimeters, which is pretty good, especially even if you're if you're 5'4" and above, you should be able to sit comfortably on this. You tiptoe, but not that much. It's pretty decent. It's decent. It has the new CBS braking system. This is not an ABS. This is a combined braking system. It works just as good as the ABS, but I'd say it's more maintenance free. It's easy to maintain in case it spoils. You know, the problem of ABS in African countries is that if it gets spoiled and you're traveling in the middle of the road where you can't even get access to a mechanic, that's pretty bad, because you'll have to change the whole thing, and that means you won't be able to ride your bike. Imagine if you're stuck in some remote area traveling to Ushago or something. That's terrible. That's not good. So this CBS, I find it as a good alternative because it's easier to fix, and it's pretty hard for it to get spoiled because it's not a computer, it's more of a manual system. So we're gonna be riding them back. I'll put for you guys more reviews online of this bike as we get to sell it. We brought 40 units in, and you can imagine already 10 units have been sold. So pretty soon you're going to be seeing them in the streets of Nairobi and Kenya. There's a client who rode one all the way to Mombasa yesterday. Took about 6.5 hours on the road. Man, he loved the experience. Beautiful transition, beautiful transmission, beautiful power, smooth power. He hit about 120, 100, of course, because it's a new engine. You want to break it in easy until at least the first service. The first service is about 1,000 to 1,200 kilometers, and it takes the 20W50 oil with 8T racing spark plugs. It's a pretty decent bike, man. If you'd say a sport bike for the African roads, this is the bike, man. I mean, look at the suspension. Look at the suspension. That's an Olin's suspension. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Okay, so I'll be sending you guys more videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel as we continue to grow slowly. We're still a small channel, so we're still trying to get there. If you have any improvements to the video you want me to do, please leave it in the comments, so that of course I'm working on getting a tripod. I haven't had the time, so I'm just doing the video with my hand. I hope the stabilization is good. Thanks guys for watching. Please visit our showroom at Carnivore, directly opposite Tamarind Tree Hotel, opposite where Splash used to be. On the left side there's a building called Maruti Heights. We're located there. Please come and check out these bikes. They are lovely, and we are also open on Sundays until 12:30 p.m. so feel free to come check them out. Please like and subscribe our channel again, and thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. 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 like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing